bookworm.com. Bookworm.com, one-stop destination for all types of books. The traditional method of holding a hard copy of your book in your hand and reading it is almost getting vanished. It is because of the high cost of books and also introduction of many ebook platforms. Since the cost of books are not affordable, people are shifting to ebook platforms. Oh, by the way, do you read a lot of books and not fond of reading it on your phone, tablet, or a Kindle? Then you must have definitely faced this problem. Don't worry, you're at the right place. We are now here to provide you a solution. These days, books are priced at an average of 300 rupees on Amazon or any other online platform, even after discount. Saying you read around one book a week, it adds up to 1200 rupees. That might be a lot for a college student or for anyone under a budget. Okay, now we have a solution for you. As a second-hand book dealer, we offer the latest titles at an extremely discounted price. Not only that, we accept your old books and also give you a fair price for them so that you can read your next book even cheaper cost. Okay, now I'll tell you some more information about our company, about its objectives, about how it functions, about our vision, marketing strategies, and etc. Let's get into it. Next, the vision of our company. In the long run, Bookworm aspires to be the go-to place for any book reader to get his next book from. Anywhere from romance novels to the rocket science, we'll be able to cater everyone's needs at a fair price. We hope to keep books still in existence 10 years down the lane. Objectives. It is necessary for any company to set goals and objectives to function in a proper way and also to achieve success. At Bookworm, we aspire to build a community of avid book readers who inspire each other to read more books. Not just that, we also want people with low income to be able to read books which they would otherwise not be able to. We also aim to promote the habit of book reading among people of all age groups. Reading books is becoming a dying habit and needs to be reviewed for the benefit of future generation, and we are here to make that an exciting process. Now, I'll be telling you about the products of our company. At Bookworm, we offer used books at a very affordable price. We also accept your used books and give you a fair price for them. We also offer many other exciting offers for you. You can also have a subscription service, get a personalized mail each month where you can get a surprise book as a part of our subscription service. We also offer you a bundle of 10 books for an extremely low price of 1200 rupees. Come on, now be a part of growing community of readers where you can share your thoughts and reviews about the book you just read and can't stop thinking about it. Add books to your read list and start reading it. Now this is the organizational structure of the company. We have a director. Next to him, we have a manager who takes care of 5 different teams. We have a product team who come up with the new ideas for the company and also acquisition of new books. And then we have accounts team who manages finances of the company. And then we have sales and marketing team who manages acquisition and retention of customers. And then we have book handling team. This team is more like a librarian. And then we have a software team which is used to build and maintain the online website. Our target audience. Now, when I talk about target audience, our target audience is people 16 and up. Now, let us talk about the functional flow of our company. Functional flow of the company. The functional flow happens in 2 channels. One is intake of books and the other one is selling of books. First, intake of books. Any person who is interested to sell the book can create an account at our website and log in. After logging in, he or she should fill the required details about the book they want to sell. Once they get the approval from our company, he or she can send the book to the given address, and based on the condition of the book, they'll be paid money or given credits. Next, let us see about the selling of books. Any person who need to buy a book can create an account at our website and log in. Once he or she finds the required book, they can place the order by filling the required address and the shipment would be done within a week. Now let us talk about the pricing of books at our store. As mentioned earlier, books are quite cheaper in our store compared to others. While buying books, the rate is fixed based on the condition of the book and the amount will be given to the seller. The similar rule applies while selling the books. Price of each book is fixed based on the condition of the book and any buyer who is interested to buy the book can buy it. Okay, now I'll be telling you about the competitors of our company and how we are surviving in this competition. The main competitors of our company are online stores like Amazon, offline stores like Sapna Book House, many applications in Play Store like AnyBooks, and also few ebook platforms like Amazon Kindle. As mentioned earlier, the focus of our company is mainly on second-hand books, because of which the cost of each book reduces compared to other book selling companies or the platforms. Many people who doesn't like to read books on his phone or use ebook platforms should buy the hard copy of the book, but not everyone can afford the book as it is costlier. Hence, our company comes into picture which provides books at less price. Along with buying books, they can even sell the books after reading it and get money or credits with which they can buy other books again. All these factors make our company to survive in the competition with our competitors. About the plans for selling products worldwide. The books would not be sold worldwide due to legal reasons. We would mainly focus on selling our product in India and gathering a market here. Now I'll be telling you about our plans to reach our customers. The main marketing strategy would be through targeted advertisements. This would be done through Google advertisements or any other online platforms. Along with this, the ads would also reach out to the people who search for books on Amazon or Google. Also, we would like our advertisement to reach out to such people who are offering an alternative to the book which they would otherwise buy at a premium price. And this is all about our company. Now, what are you waiting for? Make a read list, go to bookworm.com, search for the books, order them and enjoy reading. Thank you.